Let's give it a shot.
Now you got a credit card.
Performance.
One giant step for mankind.
A huge step for us too. Okay, that's 3 centimeters from the top. That looks straight to me.
Yep. As our major.
Yeah.
Shit, that's better than I thought.
If we can take it off without it all falling apart, that's the big. That is the question, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, we gotta make sure it all sticks really well by lightly
getting any bubbles
getting it in, yeah. Once we take the cover off, we'll do this again, right? On the little individual pieces.
Yeah. Oh, that's... Oh, get out of here.
Look at that.
Get out of here.
Are we happy or what?
Oh, they spelled performance with 3 E's.
Oh, no. Oh, well.
That's all right. I spelled beyond wrong on my program once. Did
you?
Last performance, yeah.
Did anyone know
We've got to get some projects together because I'm going to miss this.
You have to buy another car.
I'll have to buy something. Or you got to buy.
You have to keep buying a BMW every 2 months.
You have to buy a house that I can work on with you.
So yeah, maybe the autumn when it gets a bit cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We could just call it BMW Builders.
Well, you're making the advertising here. You know, you're making the videos. Okay.
And if you're doing a restore like that, I'll video the performance, and you can show people your work then on good videos.
That's really good.
You know, I'll do all of that. I love doing that shit.
I appreciate that. Now, Bruce, what do you think of that?
You can just about eyeball that one up and put the blue just below the curve.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's just about it. Yeah. One done.
Harry, have a look. That's our line. I'll take the top 2. So we line first. Okay, here we go. I'll slip this up here now.
That's it. Oh,
that's my
beautiful.
Spot.
That's the spot, mate. It's right on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got to make sure this is about this distance,
That's
right?
it. We've done it by 5 o'clock. Did you used to have the 6 o'clock swill in an island drinking? Did you have the bar stopped at 6?
Yeah. It was just for a minute.
Yeah.
Just for a minute. We call it the Angelas when you have they play the song. You know the not the song but the.
Because New Zealand they stopped drinking at 6.
How does that look?
Looked bloody good. So we just call it the 6 o'clock swill.
But you have to start again.
That's it. Right.
It's not our skill or it's the A card that's doing all the work. You know.
I signed the agreement to sell the house.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, and she came back with the advertising thing, Bruce, it would be $1,300.
Yeah.
And I said that's fine, you know.
Yeah.
And I said
she deserves to get paid for her work. Yeah, exactly. That's fine.
And she said, but we know that you'd do a much better job if you were over here.
She knows you.
Yeah. Well, she saw my dance company grow in that little city.
That's exactly straight.
Yeah.
We had a breakfast today. We had a Weetabix.
Look at that.
Okay, ready to come off.
Yep. Now here's the one. It's the parting of the big tide.
That's right. It's where Moses comes in. The parting of the light blue, dark blue, and Red Sea.
Yeah.
We're full of rubbish, really, aren't we?
Oh, fucking well,
I feel sorry for people watching this video.
Good for them. Come on, you guys.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm going to take it down at this angle because it clips off the corner.
Yeah.
Good.
Hey.
It's good that I didn't have a few drinks last night, eh? Look at that steady hand.
Bloody hell, yeah. I had a few drinks every night when I was away on the holidays. I thought, bugger it. Yeah.
That's why you got the you had me working the balancing camera.
It's good, isn't it?
He only pays $1,000 an hour.
Yeah.
It's okay, I suppose.
Yeah. We're going to do more, but I just thought, no, it's a recession.
I'm glad you came now, so he can't say he didn't buy it.
The car's back. Back in its new place. Decals are done. Wheels are pretty slick. Nice to drive. You put a few things in it. But pretty cool.